Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mesh like two videos together using the mask feature on CapCut PC. So I want to select these two videos and I want to kind of like blend them in together. For the second video I'm actually just going to reverse to mirror it, so that there's space in the middle. Go to mask, select split, and split it this way. Oops. 90 degrees. Okay, there you go. Put it in the middle or like wherever you want. I'm just going to put it in the middle and just basically feather it out by like a lot, and as you can see kind of merges together with the video. Like it meshes it together. I know it's not like the same tone and color and stuff, but you can totally edit that if you'd like to. But yeah, I feel like it makes for a cool video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!